Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to teach you how to transform ordinary words into amazing videos using advanced AI technology. So whether you're a storyteller, a marketer, or just curious about new things, stick around till the end as I guide you through the whole process. If you're new here, thanks for dropping by, and if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support my channel and help reach more people. Alright, let's get started. So we'll be using 3 tools specifically in today's tutorial. So the first tool is ChatGPT, and we'll be using ChatGPT to generate the script for our avatar. And then the next tool we'll be using would be a tool called Neuro.ai. So currently Neuro.ai has a free version, and there's also a paid version. So depending on the number of videos you want to generate, you may probably have to go for the paid version, but then I'm using the free version in today's tutorial. Then the third tool we'll be using in this tutorial will be CapCut. We're using CapCut basically for editing the video after we are done with generating it from Neuro.ai. So now let's get started. The first step is to obviously go into ChatGPT and then generate the script with which we would want our avatar to say in their speech. So I'm just going to type into ChatGPT, generate a short paragraph about how AI helps our daily life. The ChatGPT is going to generate a short paragraph. I think this is enough to fit into one minute. Maybe I can just ask it to summarize. I just want to have a short script. Okay, so we have a short script here. For the next thing for us is to basically copy the script and go to Neuro.ai. I'm going to leave the link to Neuro.ai in my description box below so that you can check it out and simply sign up to Neuro.ai with your Gmail account or your Apple account, or you can just create an account from scratch without going through your Gmail or your Apple account. But eventually it would bring you to the studio, and then you get to select which avatar you want to use. So for instance, you can upload your own custom avatar, which essentially is a photo, or you can just choose from the pre-existing avatar that they already have in the studio. So I'm just probably gonna choose an emotional avatar in this case. So and then I'm just gonna paste the script that we generated from ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy the script here and then essentially paste it here. So the thing about Neuro.ai is that you are able to generate as many videos as possible. Only stop in you want to download the video, but when you start in the beginning, you are given a free coin that would allow you to download a video. So that's what we are going to do. And it does take a while to generate, as usual, while working with AI. Okay, so our video is ready to be downloaded now. This is the output of the video.
AI has become integral to daily life, revolutionizing tasks from scheduling to healthcare. It offers personalized recommendations, aids in diagnosis, and enhances security in smart homes. In transportation, AI improves safety and traffic flow. Overall, AI integration boosts convenience, productivity, and quality of life.
So now that we are satisfied with the video, the next thing for us is to download this video. We have only one coin, so we just download it with a coin we have. The next step after this would be to edit this video in CapCut. I'm going to drag that video into CapCut now and drag it into the timeline frame. So since we are talking about AI here, we would want to edit this video to show some form of AI as well. To do this, I'll go to pixabay.com, which is a free site for high quality videos and images. And then I'm just going to select videos and choose something AI related. This is going to change it to videos. So we have some fancy AI related videos. I'm just going to download them to my desktop. May need more of these. just say AI cars. Okay, so now that I have the videos downloaded, I'm just gonna drag those videos into the import frame here in CapCut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background of this video. I have a tutorial on how to remove the background of a video in CapCut. I'll link it in those videos so that you can go check it out. And then I'm going to add some more videos here. Maybe add this one here as well. The reason for bringing in these videos is to change the background of the video. I also have a video on how to change the background of a video in CapCut. I'm gonna also link it in this video as well so that you can go check it out. So now we have the background change, we have our video ready. I'm just gonna add another one to the end of it. I mean, you could sort of change the background of this video to whatever video you want. I just, for the sake of the tutorial, I just wanted to have just 2 videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, so now we have it ready. What I'm gonna do right now is just export this video, and then I can show you what the output looks like. Okay, so this is how the final video looks like.
AI has become integral to daily life, revolutionizing tasks from scheduling to healthcare. It offers personalized recommendations, aids in diagnosis, and enhances security in smart homes. In transportation, AI improves safety and traffic flow. Overall, AI integration boosts convenience, productivity, and quality of life.
Okay, that is it for today's video. And like I mentioned, I already do have a video on how to remove the background from my video and how to change the background in a video in CapCut. I'm going to leave those on the screen so that you can go check it out. But thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.